What's up, YouTube? We back. It's your boy CJ Pranks, and I'm back with another prank. And we for the just be knocking on people's doors, and we not gonna run. We ain't gonna do nothing. We gonna knock on people's doors. We just gonna stand there like the mannequin challenge. I forgot where I seen this from, but the kids did it. I'm gonna put the description and the link down below. So before we jump into this video, I'm gonna need for you guys to like, subscribe, and turn that post notification. Turn that post notification so you won't miss another one of my videos.
We need to stack up.
Alright, bruh. Well, they doing something for a charity. I'm just trying to do these pranks.
What kind of prank?
I'm gonna knock on the door. I'm just gonna stand there like a mannequin. It's gonna be lit. And remember, I'm gonna put, when I see this video, I'm gonna put it in the description box down below in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn that post notification. I ain't finna get shot, bro. You tripping? Oh, nah, I'm scared of that house. All right, bro. I know what to do, y'all. I go to this little pink house right here. This little house right here. Yes, huh? Yes, huh, Goliath? Somebody do live there. Huh? Jada, come record me. Hurry up. No. Let's go into this house. No, wait, la.
And let me hold the phone.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, la.
Hey, what's up? J. Cole. You better do some dumb stuff.
I ain't trying to misbehave.
Man, y'all gonna get me killed. See what they got me doing? Oh, gosh. Guys, J. Cole out. This video has been Papa! Oh shoot, they pulling out the guns. Right. See, I don't. CJ came back. She see me. Chip, why you want recording it? Okay, I'm gonna do this house right here. Y'all already did the house?
Yeah.
Let's do this house right here. Let's do this right here.
This house?
Yeah. Let's do this house right here. Okay, so let me see. Are they home? YouTube, can you see me? Excuse me. Would you like to That was late, though. But they knew me because this is my neighborhood. And this is my neighborhood, so this how they know me around here. Everybody know me around CJ. Now before they do this next house. So wow, this thing's still recording. 4 minutes going. Alright, well, after this house, this is gonna be our last house. We gonna knock on the door and just freeze right there, and ain't gonna do nothing. So, let's go. Wait, there's these people behind me. I'm trying to walk as fast as I can. I think they're following me. Yeah, bro, they like African Americans. They definitely, I'm scared as crap. My brother and my cousin just went back in the house. I don't know where they went. All I know is they went back in the house. So I hope these people not home because I'm really scared of this house. Well, see, these cars, they broken down. I mean, they ain't in the house. And like I said before, I'm gonna put those people wasn't in the house. But like I said before, when I seen this video, I'm gonna put the description down. I'm gonna put the link down in the description box. So, peace, YouTube.